Hi everyone, come to today's video of my YouTube channel. We are going to see the 7 symptoms of a faulty throttle body in your car. In modern cars, the throttle body is an important piece of the air intake system that controls the amount of air that flows into the engine, which then burns up the fuel in the cylinders. At any point in time, for the engine to run in its optimal condition, allowing the right amount of air to enter is very essential. When the throttle body is messy, malfunctioning or clogged up, it stops the flow of air into the engine, which causes issues with performance and also sends unburnt fuel to pass through the exhaust system. Here are 7 symptoms of a bad or failing throttle body, to help you identify the issue before it is too late. Number 1. Grime build-up. As you would expect, one of the main reasons why the throttle body needs cleaning is due to the accumulation of dirt and grime within the part, which is also known as coking. This creates a rough surface, disturbing the air-fuel flow and diminishing the effectiveness of your engine. Carbon deposits cause a similar problem by generating an uneven surface inside the part. Number 2. Poor fuel economy. Check your fuel economy. Put a full tank of fuel into your car and make a note of the miles traveled on your gauge. Run the car till there's no more fuel left and work out your average miles per gallon. If this is significantly out by more than 10 to 15%, then the chances are you have a clogged throttle body that's impacting your car's performance. Number 3. Poor or high idle. When your throttle body is operating below its normal effectiveness, one of the telltale signs is a poor or low idle. This includes stalling after coming to a stop, a low idle after starting, or stalling when the throttle is pressed down rapidly. Dirt causes airflow into the system to be turbulent and leads to a fluctuating idle speed. Number 4. Uneven or slow acceleration. As you push down the accelerator pedal, this increases the flow of air and petrol into the engine. If there's any dirt or coking on the throttle body, this will prevent the car from picking up the power it needs from combustion. What does this feel like behind the wheel? It may be that the car takes longer to get going than usual, or the speed picks up in irregular bursts. Number 5. Electrical problems. With so many of a modern car's systems now being reliant on computer connections and controls, electronic wiring now serves as its nervous system. If the throttle body's electronic sensor is covered in dirt or grime, this will result in faulty or unnecessary corrections to the air-fuel mixture, which could put the car into a secondary power-reduced mode until it gets seen by a service mechanic. Number 6. Airflow disruptions. Build-ups of dirt and grime can cause airflow and pressure problems in the throttle body, or the issue could be an incorrectly adjusted throttle stop, which is also part of the air intake system. Uneven airflow will cause pressure problems in the system, which again could lead to poor performance and acceleration. Number 7. Check engine light. If the throttle body's performance is not up to the required level, this will alert the electronic throttle control, which in turn illuminates the check engine light on your dashboard. As there are a number of reasons why this could light up, it's best to do some manual checks yourself to see if there's dirt or carbon around the part. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to click the subscribe button. The next video. Stay healthy.